In this video, I'm going to show you how to move things up and down in Planner 5D. So as you can see, I'm currently in 2D mode. Here you can click on anything you want to move up and down, and you can change this levitation over here. So for example, over here on this bed, I have levitation which is negative right now. So if I put this to, for example, 60, it's going to go 60 centimeters up in the air. And here I have like a cabinet, I can click on it and I can put it up like 200, for example. And that way, if I go to 3D mode, as you can see, things are now floating and you can move them up and down like this. Now, an easier way to do that would be to just go to 3D mode, click on whatever you want to move up or down, and then whenever you click on it, for example, if I were to click on this door over here, you can again change levitation over here, or you can just use this button. So just click and you can hold and drag up or down, and it's going to move things up or down. Okay, now that's gonna work pretty much for everything. So you can see here, I have like this bed, I can move it up or down. You can do it for doors, you can do it for different things like windows. You can move pretty much anything you want. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.